major issues, saving us from costly cleanups and environmental damage. AI in waste management is not just about making our lives easier, it's about making our planet healthier. By optimizing waste treatment processes and minimizing waste generation, AI can help us reduce our environmental footprint, making our world a cleaner, greener place to live. AI's potential in waste management goes beyond mere optimization. It can also contribute significantly to minimizing environmental impact. Let's visualize a cleaner, greener planet fostered by AI-powered chemical waste management. Imagine a world where waste is not just a byproduct to be discarded, but a valuable resource to be harnessed. This is the potential that AI brings to the table. By accurately analyzing waste streams, AI can identify and sort valuable materials that would otherwise be lost. These materials can then be recovered and reintroduced into the production cycle, a process known as circular economy. This not only boosts resource efficiency, but also reduces the demand for virgin raw materials, contributing to a significant cutback in environmental degradation. Think of AI as a meticulous gatekeeper, ensuring that harmful substances are not released into our environment. With its ability to monitor and control waste treatment processes in real time, AI can minimize the emission of hazardous pollutants, safeguarding our air, water, and soil from contamination. Moreover, AI can streamline waste management practices, optimizing resource utilization and cutting down on waste generation. This means lesser waste going to landfills, lesser strain on our natural resources, and a smaller carbon footprint for our industries. Indeed, the integration of AI in chemical waste management is not just a technological advancement, it is a step towards a sustainable future. By harnessing the power of AI, we are not just optimizing waste treatment, we are reimagining waste as a resource, and in the process, paving the way for a greener planet.